tongan relief camp ta changja famlo duna lairiba miyamda chak amasung hawai thongba khakpibagi mahut machi oiba chinjak seng chang naina pizaba mathautai haina Indian Doctors for Peace and Development IDPD gi Vice President Dr. Arun Mitra na phongdorakli wafam ase Manipur da thokliba irang asina maram oiraga relief camp singda changja famlo riba miyamna thengnariba khudong chadaba kayagi matangda yengsiluraba matong Hotel Nirmalada Pangthopa Paugi Mifam Amada Magna Fondo Kibane, Numeru Homnige, Manipurgi Kongchara Sida, Saru Yakiba, IDPDG, Dr. Singh Yauna Pangthokiba, Paugi Mifam Aduda, Dr. Arun Mitrana Hai, Kongchara Sida, Kumalam Park Sports Complex, Amasong Kangpokpida Hangba, Relief Camp Singda Satuna Yangsilure, Maduda Health Care Gi Kudong Chaba, Ningtina Lairam Daba Kyathing Naraki, Maru Oina, Angang Senior Citizen Amade, Angang Naupuri Bising, Tongan Mamakhalge, Laina Layong Naramki, Refugee camp ta laiba miyam na mayok nariba kudong chadaba kudingmak mafam asigi inmat singna su chap chana mayok naramki pumnamak singa sigi mathagta hena nungai tribadi angang singda mental stress kya lairamba asini masina angang singda tung koiba post traumatic stress disorder gi saitheng piraga laihaunabagi machak ama soidana oirakani oiragliba fibam ase laingangna haisingna yengduna thabak tawba chumgani hauzik relief camp ayambada hidak langthaki awatpa kyamarum Laibagi mathagta communicable amasung non-communicable disease singi chaithing phangnari mafam asidagi aikoina hankibaga IDPDG maikedagi hidak langthak sing tharaknabasu thorang tawgani haina Dr. Arun Mitra na makhatana phongdoki
Rehabilitation measures have to be speeded up. If they can be made to go back to their village, that is the best. If not possible, in this situation, at least wherever they are staying, there around some rehabilitation measures where they can have some small house of their own. I mean, there's a family privacy is there. That is a very important thing. So all these things, for this we feel that the government should take special steps on this, central government as well as the state government, because it is the government which is the duty bound to take care of the citizens' health. The large scale help can be done only by the government, which as we have suggested. Then for maintaining and strengthening the harmony, dialogue, we found that there is lots of, mistrust has developed among the people. Gradually, of course, we don't expect it to happen immediately, but effort has to be made. For that, government has to take interest.
Paugi mifam aduda saru yakiba IDPDG executive member Dr. Rasina Hai relief camp ta lairiba nupi angang singda skin disease kya naramba thengnaraki nupi singda sanitary napkin watpagi khudong chadaba kya so mai onaramki matang asida lengang na henba miteng changba mathautai angang naupuribi mama singda machioi bachinjak amasung mathauta ba hidak langthak pibagi chauna tangai fadaba lai popa kuidriba angang singda kapham thokpa vaccine kaplamdaba se khwaidagi laibak thibane Asigumba angang singda tangai fadana maru oiba vaccine sing kapnaba lengak asina atubada thorang lohhaninge haina Dr. Rasnina makatana phongdoki
Regarding pregnant women, they said that local available vegetable which gives iron and all, we are getting trying to supply them like this, but no proper medicines are being given. And today's camps also we have seen there were pregnant women who delivered, some 5 ladies delivered, and then 7 women are still pregnant and they are not getting nutritious food. And I have seen the child who was born just 5 days back, they don't have vaccines, especially the vaccines are missing, children are missing the vaccines, and measles vaccines are very important in the relief camps which they are not supplying. So maybe government is supplying and somehow this is missing, that's what they are saying.